everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if ever you need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
This is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
What do we have here?
So we have kind of a collective effort.
Okay. Yes, we do.
This is a LED.
Okay.
I've already oriented the LED. I just separated the wires coming
Plus
out of the LED.
minus,
Yep.
yeah.
The positive and the negative side. So
Okay.
this wire is positive, that wire is negative. If you're working with LEDs, it does make a difference.
Okay.
Okay. These are just regular paper clips, and we have everything put onto this is just some real thin craft foam.
Okay.
So the goal,
Yes.
I believe, is we're going to take some glue, and we're going to put glue from here all the way down to the paper clip on the positive side.
And I found some salt. You can't see it, but it's salt. Yep.
And then we're going to sprinkle some salt on it. We're going to
Okay.
sprinkle a lot of salt on it. And then we're going to take some more glue,
Okay.
and we're going to go from the negative side and go all the way down to the paper clip on the negative
Awesome.
side. So what I'm going to attempt to do is to put glue from the negative side of the LED to the negative paper
Okay.
clip, and then once I'm done with that, you can sprinkle it heavily with salt,
Okay.
and then I'll do the positive glue while you're doing the
Okay.
negative salt, and
Got
then
it.
we'll kind of leapfrog like that.
Okay.
Now, I've never gotten this to work, so we're trying.
Let's see if it works today.
Kind of for...
I've seen it too. Let's see if it
Yeah?
works for us.
Okay, well, I'm...
Lot of glob. Lot of glue.
So where the wire to the LED was, I put a lot of glue, and I'm putting a lot of glue where
Okay,
this
now
paper
do we
clip
need
is.
to make it a curvy line? Can it be a straight
It can just
line?
be a straight line.
Okay, so you're done with that, so I can
Yep,
start
so
sprinkling
you can
salt.
start salting the glue.
Okay, sorry, just moved
Well, I
everything
put
here.
more
Yeah. Glue there, and
glue
it's putting-
here.
I'm just gonna pour it. What do you think?
I think that's the best way
That's
to
the
get as
best way to
much
get
salt on there as possible.
Okay.
Let me try to make this one a little thicker. Okay.
Okay.
Yep, okay, so go ahead and salt the other side.
Okay. Now, should we shake the excess, or we can
I'm
just
going to
try
attempt to very gently just
it.
tip the excess off. Let's put a lot more
Lot
right
more
there.
there.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can see where it still looks like wet glue instead of
it? Yeah, instead
salt,
of salt.
on wet glue, and then this corner too. The tip
I-
that I was given
Yes.
was to use more salt than you really think you need.
Okay, well, I'm pouring
So,
like a lot.
If
you can
this is
tell.
not enough salt, I don't know if we're going to get this to work, all right?
All right.
So, I'm gonna
maybe you
tip
can
this
pour
off.
it back in here.
Yep.
Shake it back in here.
And I'm not going to tap it, and whatever falls,
Perfect.
falls.
All right.
And that's what we're left with.
I'll
Now,
put this on the side.
I've got this little battery pack.
Okay. What
Okay.
size batteries?
These are AAAs.
AAA,
I
okay.
believe you can, whatever your LED is rated to, you should be able to use, but we have
Okay.
AAAs, and so this is
Okay.
what we're using. My battery pack is on,
Okay.
okay? And then,
There's a black and a red.
right, so black is negative, red is
Okay.
positive.
Okay.
And again, when you're working with LEDs,
Yes.
Negative and positive does make a
Does make
difference.
difference. It won't work,
Sometimes it doesn't,
Right.
and sometimes it does. In this
Okay.
case, if I was to crisscross these,
It won't work.
well, not only will it not work, it'll destroy the LED.
Ah.
Yeah, so it's
okay.
very important to know your positive
Important,
and your negative
okay.
sides with the LEDs,
Okay.
and so that's why we made sure to label them. Okay,
So
so I'm going to
black
give you
is-
the negative,
Okay.
and I'm going to tilt this just a little bit and go ahead and
Okay.
clip it to that paper clip.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the moment of truth. Whether or not this
Cross your
activity
fingers,
is going to work.
folks. Cross your fingers. Oh!
Okay,
Let's see if we can.
that's super cool.
That is super cool. It is working.
It is a salt
Salt
circuit.
circuit.
This is actually one of the coolest projects that
yes.
we've tried in a while.
Love it. Love it.
Yep. So
We
I
did
don't-
it, Carr.
I don't know why it didn't work in the
Yes.
past. I'm super happy it worked right
Yes.
here. Guys, if you try this at home, please make sure that you ask for permission
Yes,
when
please.
using electronic parts or
Yes.
taking other
and
things.
even using
taking
all the
consi-
salt.
And all the salt
Yes.
and the mess and all that. So,
Yes.
but anyway, if you like this activity as much as I did and as much as Mel did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more hands on science. So now you know we could
Yes, we
make a
can.
design.
Yes, we could color it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or we could do color.
Yes.